Large number of students from DM College, Modern College and Oriental College took out a protest rally. Police forces fired tear gas cells after speaking with top officials of state police. Students submitted a 5-pointer memorandum to the Chief Minister. The memorandum says, all classes including DMU administration shall remain boycotted until justice is brought. Immediate arrest of culprits within 3 days starting today. Immediate removal of internet ban imposed by the government of Manipur. Government should take all responsibility of the affected students in the peace rally and removal of RAF. On the other hand, more than 10 students have received injuries from the tear gas, mock bombs fired by the personnel of RAF and state police forces at Moirangkhom while they were carrying out peaceful rally towards Siam Bungalow. Students of Imphal College, Manipur College and Manipur University were carrying out a peaceful protest rally when they were fired upon.